Okay, hi everyone. So this is a video related to the covalent bond VSEPRT theory. Okay, VSEPRT theory stands for valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. So already I told you there is a drawback in electron theory of valency. He is unable to explain the strength and bond angle and shape. అంటే మనం లాస్ట్ థియరీలో చదువుకున్నాం ఆ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ థియరీ ఆఫ్ వ్యాలెన్సీ లూయిస్ డాట్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఉంది కదా, అక్కడ బాండ్ యాంగిల్ షేపు అవన్నీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయలేదు. సో టు ఓవర్కమ్ ద డ్రాబ్యాక్, so VSEPRT 3 has been introduced. Okay, furtherly if you want to study you can go for your textbook. So in that 3 there we have a 3 points related to the lone pair, bond pair. Okay, so what he's trying to say in this series, see, if you know the number of bond pairs and lone pairs, so then we can predict the angle and shape. అంటే మనకు ఒక మాలిక్యూల్లో ఎన్ని బాండ్ పేర్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఎన్ని లోన్ పేర్స్ ఉంటాయి, అది తెలిస్తే మనం దాని యాంగిల్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది, షేప్ ఏమొస్తుంది మాలిక్యూల్, అది చెప్పగలుగుతాం. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద మెయిన్ మోటో ఆఫ్ ద థియరీ. ఓకే, టు ఫైండ్ ద షేప్ అండ్ యాంగిల్ between them. Okay, again this theory has some drawback, we'll discuss later, but this from this theory if you go for the 4 marks, sorry, in the exam point of view you will be going to get a question for 4 marks or 2 marks, which is very important for the exam time. Okay, so exam point of view say okay, 4 marks question also, 2 marks question also. So we'll discuss first one. So here in this theory you have an example of 4 or 5 molecules: BeCl2, barium chloride, boron trifluoride, methane, ammonia and water. So in these 5 molecules we have different bond pairs and lone pairs. So depending upon the bond pairs and lone pairs, angles and shapes were given. Okay, if you take the example of first one, so first one is BeCl2. So in BeCl2 we have 2 bond pair, 0 lone pair, so the angle will be 180 degrees and linear. How I will explain? See, beryllium chloride. So in beryllium is the central atom. So if you know about the beryllium, so beryllium atomic number is 4, which we can write as 2, 2. So it means the beryllium has 2 electrons in the last cell. If you talk about the chlorine atomic number is 17, so 2, 8, 7 ante kada. So beryllium atomic number enta 4, so 2, 2 last lo 2 electrons unnai, 2 electrons. So chlorine atomic number 17, so 17 ante last lo 7 electrons untai. So what happened here, this chlorine we have 2 elements of chlorine, so each chlorine has 7 electrons in the last cell. So here this is the example for covalent bond. So this chlorine will become stable by sharing an electron from the beryllium. Similarly this beryllium becomes stable with the help of sharing an electron with the chlorine. So now we get a molecule between beryllium and chlorine. So molecule name is given as beryllium okay, so beryllium chloride you can say. And in this molecule you can see beryllium and chloride, so they have formed 2 bonds and this shapes is look like straight line. Okay, so this molecule's shape just looks like shape. So here we have 2 bond pairs and 0 lone pairs, and shapes is looking like around linear, and in the linear we have an angle is around 180 degrees. So that is the we got the shape as 180, sorry, shape as a linear, angle as in 180 degrees. If I talk about BF3, boron trifluoride, so in this boron is the central atom, so boron atomic number is 5. So if I try to write the Lewis dot structure, in the last cell we have 3 electrons, so we have 3 fluorine, so each fluorine atomic number is 9. So in the last cell we have 7 electrons, so here we have 3 fluorines, so 1, 2, 3, I am writing the 3 fluorine in the 3 direction. So as we know that fluorine has 7 electrons in the last cell, so each fluorine has 7 electrons in the last cell. So what happened, so now each fluorine we want to become stable. So ikkada emaitundi, boron central atom 3 fluorine unna oka boron undi. So boron anedi 3 electrons 3 fluorines share chestadi, so that the fluorine becomes stable. Ante ikkada fluorine stable aitundi chudandi, fluorine undi kada, so fluorine will be sharing one electron with the boron, second fluorine also sharing an electron, third fluorine also sharing an electron with boron. So here we can see that in this molecule the fluorine becomes stable, ante fluorine stable అయిపోయింది, boron stable కాలే. Okay, first we will talk about the bond pair and lone pair. So bond pair, so here we have 3 bond pairs. ఎన్ని bond pairs ఉన్నాయి, 3 బాండ్ పేర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో సెంట్రల్ ఆటమ్కి లోన్ పేర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. లోన్ పేర్స్ అంటే ఇఫ్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ ద ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఇస్ లెఫ్ట్ ఓకే వితౌట్ పేరింగ్ దట్ ఈస్ నోన్ లోన్. అంటే ఇక్కడ షేరింగ్ కాకుండా ఏమైనా ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ మిగిలిపోతే దాన్ని లోన్ పేర్ అంటారు. సో లోన్ పేర్ 0 ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఇది మొత్తాన్ని డివైడ్ చేసినాం అనుకో, సో ఈ యాంగిల్ వచ్చేసి 120 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇఫ్ ఐ డ్రా ద ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫర్ దిస్ లుక్స్ లైక్ trigonal planar. So the angle is 120 and shape is trigonal planar. Okay, but here if you see this BeCl2 and BF3, the central atom boron, sorry, here the central atom is boron. So if you count the number of electrons in the last cell of boron is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now it has 6 electrons. If you talk about the beryllium, it has 1 2 3 4 electrons, but they both should has 8 electrons in the last cell. But in this case barium chloride and boron trifluoride, so they both, the central atom doesn't has 8 electrons. So central atom ki 8 electrons undadu. So anduke barium chloride inko barium trifluoride ni manam electron deficient molecule antam. Okay, so they are known as electron deficient molecule. So next we'll see the example of CH4. This is very very important. Okay, so in CH4, so carbon is a central atom. So carbon atomic number you know already 6, which can be written as 2, 4. So carbon 1 2 3 4 and we have 4 hydrogens. So 1 2 3 4. So one electron will be shared with the help of carbon between carbon and hydrogen. So as we know that this is the 3D structure, so already you have learned the carbon and compounds. The angle will be around between them is around 109 degrees 28 minutes, and this 3D structure is known as tetrahedral, and there we have only bond pair, 4 bond pairs, 0 lone pair. Okay, so there is a no lone pair between, there is a no lone pair, and there is a 4 bond pairs between carbon and hydrogen. Okay, okay, one of the important one is NS, ammonia and water. These are the very very important molecule which are asked for many times for the 4 marks. So first we will start from the ammonia. So in ammonia, nitrogen is the central atom. So nitrogen atomic number is 7. So we can write it as 2, 5. So in the last cell it has 5 electrons. So nitrogen has 5 electrons in the last cell. So here we have 3 hydrogen. As we know that each hydrogen has 1 electrons in the last cell. Ante nitrogen is the central atom. Daniki 5 electrons untayi last cell. So 1 2 3 4 5. Hydrogen ki oka electron untadi. So each hydrogen has 1 electron. So ikkada em aitadi, hydrogen want to become stable, and hydrogen stable kavali, so it will share 1 electron with the nitrogen. So if you see here we have 3 bond pairs, ante ivi anni bond ayindi kada, so bond form ayindi kabatti now we have 3 bond pairs 1 2 3. So in this molecule we have 3 bond pairs. So here we can see these 2 electrons are not pairing, ante ivanni vere element to share aitaledu. So these 2 electrons are known as lone pair. సో ఇక్కడ 3 బాండ్ పేర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఒక లోన్ పేర్ ఉన్నాయి. సో మనకేం తెలుసు, లోన్ పేర్ విల్ ఆక్యుపై మోర్ స్పేస్ దెన్ ద బాండ్ పేర్. అంటే లోన్ పేర్ అనేది ఎక్కువ స్పేస్ తీసుకుంటుంది దెన్ బాండ్ పేర్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ ద యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ అరౌండ్ 107 degrees 48 minutes and shapes it looks like pyramidal. Okay, pyramid. So the shapes is name is given as trigonal pyramidal. This is very very important, remember. Next is very దానికన్నా ఇంకా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏంటంటే వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్. Okay, water molecule H2O. So central atom is oxygen. Oxygen atomic number is 8, which can be 2, 6. In the last cell we have 6 electrons. Okay, each hydrogen want 1 electrons. So 2 hydrogen will sharing 1 electron with the oxygen. Now you can see hydrogen becomes stable, oxygen also becomes stable. But this here we have 2 bond pairs, and this is 1 lone pair, this is second lone pair. So 2 lone pairs. So whenever you have 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs, the angle between the oxygen hydrogen is 104 degrees 31 minutes, and this the shapes of the molecule is given as V. So this looks like V, no? So the shapes of the molecule is given as V, and this is also known as bent shape. Some people call them as an angular. So in exam he will be asking you to draw a molecule or explain a molecule which has a shape like V shape or bent shape or angular shape, or draw a structure which has a tetrahedral molecule. So okay, you have to draw a molecule which has a shape of tetrahedral or linear. Okay, these are the basic questions which may be asked you indirectly in the exam for the 4 marks. Okay, we just learn this same the topic. You just try to revise the topics from your textbook.